Okay, here I'm going to, wow, I've got a big graph in this example problem. Consider the graph G5, vertices, set of vertices 5 and E5, set of vertices, set of edges. Look at all these edges. They're undirected because they have curly brackets on them in pairs. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 nodes, or 16 vertices in this graph. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and draw this with a little bit of foresight into what's coming up here. A and B. B is linked to C. B is linked to D. E and F are linked. But notice that E and F aren't linked to any of the previous ones. So I'm going to make E down here and put F up here. F and H are linked. F and G are linked. H and J are linked. G and I are linked. I and J are linked. K and L. Now we have another sort of a separate set. K and L. L and N. L and M. O and P. And you'll see why I did that. So I've got all my vertices, element OP. A and B are linked. B and C are linked. B and D are linked. E and F are linked. F and H, F and G, H and J, G and I and J, K and L and N, L and M, O and P. Okay. So what I'm doing is, it is supposed to kind of look like trees in a forest. Is the graph a forest? If not, explain a simple way to make it into a forest. Well, this is a tree. This is not a tree. This is a tree connected with no cycles. This is a tree. Okay, so we have a group of trees. Well, almost. A forest is a set of trees. It's a graph where every connected subgraph is a tree. And we can see that we have 4 connected subgraphs to this graph. And each of the 4 connected subgraphs will be a tree if I just make one little change and I just cut out any one of these 4 links. 1, 2, 3. Any one of these 5 links can go and it'll still be a tree. I guess I'm going to cut out this one. We cut out J, I link to make G5 a forest. Because if we cut out J, I, then this connected subgraph will be a tree, and my graph will be such that every connected subgraph, of which there are 4, is a tree. Okay, so this is now a forest after I cut out Ji. I could have cut out any one of F, H. Now I can't cut them all out, just one or the other. H, J, Ji. Doesn't matter the order because it's sets. IG and FG. Okay, I could have cut out any one of those 5 in this cycle up here, and I would have no longer had a cycle, and it would have turned that subgraph into a tree. Okay, hope that helps.